Are you looking to buy an oceanfront condo? Surprised by the high HOA fees on some of the units? Wondering why some buildings have so much higher HOA fees than others? Well, today we're going to share with you what you need to know about HOA fees in oceanfront condo buildings. In today's video, we're going to be discussing what you need to know about HOA fees in oceanfront condo buildings here along the Grand Strand. But if you haven't yet, be sure to check out and subscribe to our channel, as we have tons of videos with important things that you need to know when buying or selling a property here in the Myrtle Beach area. But when it comes to HOA fees, for starters, the price that you see online is not the end-all be-all, and not all buildings include the same things in that payment. So that one price that you see online is not the only thing that you need to consider. So first, we're going to give you a list of items that you need to ask whether or not they are included in that HOA fee that you see online. Typically, water, sewer, trash, cable, internet, pool service, common area maintenance, common area electric, landscaping, and your manager are all included in the HOA fee. But be sure to double check that these things are indeed included. Now, here's a list of the items that we see typically vary the most from building to building on the oceanfront. Building insurance, HO6 insurance, electric inside your personal unit, pest control, and phone. And another big question that you need to ask before making that offer is, are there any regular or special assessments? A regular assessment, yes, that's your HOA payment, but you can actually have more than just this. For example, building insurance in many of the buildings is assessed separate from that HOA fee that you saw online, and they're charged regularly through the year, and that's something you're going to have to pay. So be sure to know if insurance is a separate regular assessment from the typical HOA fee that you're going to pay. HO6 insurance can also be charged as a regular assessment. However, we see that most of the time you're going to be responsible for carrying this on your own. Be sure to check out our other video that discusses just exactly what HO6 insurance is and considerations for it. Now, as most of the oceanfront condo buildings are 20 years or older, special assessments are also typical along the oceanfront. So you need to ask this question: are there any special assessments ongoing or planned? A call to the HOA can help to answer this question, and also reading the most recent HOA meeting minutes should reveal any special assessments that are currently ongoing or upcoming. Special assessments can be simply a one-time payment, or they can be ongoing for 3, 5, 7 years or more. So you can see why this is very important to know. So, in summary, here's the list of items that you need to ask if they're included in the HOA payment you see online. And here are the other questions that you need to be sure to ask. Now, once you find out exactly what's included and what you're going to have to pay outside of the HOA fee, and if you're going to be responsible for any other special or regular assessments from the HOA fee, then you can truly compare apples to apples between buildings. And that high HOA fee that you saw at the beginning might not end up being that bad at the end of the day. Be sure to watch our other videos that guide you through the process of purchasing a condo on the oceanfront here in the Grand Strand. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as we release new videos every week that I know you're not going to want to miss. Also, we would love to hear from you. If there's any topics that you want to see us cover on our videos, please let us know in the comments below.